So cute. So cute.
Valerie, is my phone broken? No, it's working. Okay, good. Lacey doesn't eat fish.
She wants to eat her bread. She wants to eat the bread.
It's like her first real meal.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
probably.
it needs like a little perch. Like what can we do for a perch?
The bowl upside down. Get the bowl dumped upside down.
Then where the fuck's she gonna go anyways? Let her eat. Just.
Well, the water's deep enough so she can stand, right?
Maybe.
No, it's too deep.
Really?
Yeah.
Just watch over the
I think she just ate out of my hand. Here, girl. Here, girl. Come on.
Oh, so cute how she's learning how to swim. Isn't that cute?
Yeah. She's like, I'm touching it. Good girl. I'm gonna show my
You
dad.
want a break? Want a break? What are you gonna do after your break, huh? Crazy? Oops. Oh shit, sorry. You gonna jump off into the water or what?